So in this video we are going to discuss about the scripting concept, and basically we are going to create a class as a component, and each class has its own functionality. And for example, for the player, we will have a movement script attached to it, also shooting, and an health and destroy component, so we can take damage, and if it's reach 0 then we can destroy the object, and also a damage on collision with other ship to check for the collision, magnet, and coin pickup. And for the enemy, we are going to also add a couple components to it. For example, it will have its own shooting component, node movement, and the shooting component will be the same as the player shooting component, so we can reuse the script, and also health and destroy component, and it will have a script that emits coin. And as you can see here, the health and destroy script are the same with the health and destroy from the player script, so we can reuse that also. This way we can create different behaviors between different game objects by mixing different components attached to it. And for another example, we have the missile turret, and the missile turret will have the same component as the enemy, which is the health and destroy, also shooting, but it will have another different component which are going to look at the player. And this way we will have a different behavior than the default enemy. And we are going to also have another turret that will have the health and destroy component, but it will have a rotating component, so it will keep spawning bullets using the auto rotate component and the shooting component attached to it. And another game object will be the enemy boss. It will have the same component as the enemy. It will have the shooting, the movement, and the health and destroy, but it will have another component called parent to scroller. So whenever the enemy boss gets activated, it will get parented to the scroller, and it will follow the camera movement, so we can keep fighting until we defeat the enemy boss. And we are going to also have the human rescue game object, and this human rescue game object will have a rescue component attached to it.